Good morning, traders. There was a breakout in GBPINR last night, so I wanted to share my view on GBPINR with you guys. So let's start from weekly time frame to see how the market is in higher time frames. Considering that, we'll start gradually moving to lower time frames. Weekly, the market is moving in an ascending trend line pattern that is taking support here, here, and here, and here, and here. If you have a closer look, now here it is at higher high and higher low. This is low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Right now the market is testing the supports. This is one support here. Let me draw here, and this is the trend line support, and this is the horizontal support here. If you see, there are three candles that is formed weekly, three candles which hasn't moved much in a range, and it's going in a range bound. The behavior of a range bound market once it forms at lows are the maximum probability the breakout will happen at the higher end. That means it will break upward and then move upward. So this is one. So this might be a bit hard to figure out the trend for the beginner levels. So to have a clear trends looks, let me shift it to daily time frame. In daily, if you see, this is the same pattern which I've shown in weekly. It is now, if you see, low, high, higher low, higher high. Now this is the zone which I have drawn. Weekly support. Can consider daily support, weekly, both are coinciding, not an issue. We see this is the swing, low, high, higher low. So this is the swing which I was talking about, and we are expecting a bull. So this is higher high and higher low is a bull swing. So we can expect a buy. And this breakout has happened, already happened here. Went for a retest. Now it has happened here last night. So our area of interest would be within this. So let's dive very closer time frame. That is, we'll move to 4 hour time frame. So weekly, I have said the market is in bull. The same trends to have a more clear visual look for the beginners to understand the trends. I shifted to daily, which still implies that the market is in bull. Let's dive in weekly to see what's happening in this zone. Fine. Let's see in 4 hour. So this is a 4 hour. This straight line which I've drawn, straight line blues. So this is in daily. Fine. This is daily swing which I've drawn. To which corresponding 4 hour zones you can see here. So this is a high, this is low, lower high, lower low, then lower high, the lower low, and then this is higher high. This is the breakout. Here I have posted my view that this is, it will be a buy after the breakout. But market came down for a retest. It tested this daily support, giving formation of a descending triangle pattern. But this descending triangle pattern later broke yesterday here. That is August 7th, Monday. There is a breakout here. If you have a closer look, this support here, you see, this is the breakout triangle, but the triangle has already broke here outside, and then after the breakout the market came down for a retest. Then after testing this area, and then the market again started pushing up. Now this support has broke now. Fine. So this triangle is a breakout. Now if you have a closer look, there is other pattern. Before that, let me confirm what's happening in 4 hour. In 4 hour, I said this triangle breakout has happened. This is one. Now the other pattern is, which I want to discuss, is have a closer look. Okay, fine. This is very clumsy here. Let me show the pattern right in here. This layout is pretty clear. Fine. It's an inverted head and shoulder pattern. Inverted head and shoulder pattern. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, target. Fine. This inverted head and shoulder pattern. As I said, the right now this is dashed red line is in support. At support, we have got a breakout. This is the triangle which I have already said the breakout, which is same breakout corresponding the triangle's support breakout, not the trend line breakout. The support breakout is here. Trend line breakout is already done here and retest, and then the market came up where the support has broke yesterday night, which is same break level for the breakout for the inverted head and shoulder pattern. For few, it might look like why the target should be here. It should be here, can be here, and so on. which is also looks similar inverted and shoulder pattern. You can take target either here or here, but I say the target you can hold it right up till here is the reason. I'll explain with the neighboring layout. Give me a minute. Now you got right the other pattern, that is in 4 hour inverted head and shoulder pattern. At 4 hour you have two patterns. One is descending triangle pattern breakout, and other is inverted head and shoulder inverted head and shoulder breakout, and descending triangle breakouts, two breakouts. In daily it is a bull swing and the breakout is already done. The market is in a retest whose breakout was in 4 hour, which we also got right now based on two patterns. Good. So weekly is in bull, daily is in bull, 4 hour is in bull. The reason why inverted head and shoulder pattern, instead of target here, this one like this, target here, I said the target can be here is, let's see, to understand that, let's visualize in daily. Daily, if you have a look here, this is high of a daily, this is a low of a daily. So this is one support right now, this is the resistance right now. I've already got a breakout here. So from the current market price, the target, the market can go smooth till here. Not smooth, maybe this exact pattern it can go till here. It can test the daily's resistance here. This is a 4 hour resistance right now. Don't look at this, just look at here. Okay, this daily is resistance. So the market can go till here because daily's resistance has to be broken. That candle, um, sorry, for a daily support or resistance we have to look for a daily candle. So daily resistance is here, so support is here. So the market can straight can go up till here. So this is the expectation, this is my view. That is the reason after the inverted head and shoulder pattern the market can go up here. Maybe this is one. The other thing is that in daily time frame, the swing after the breakout, the market will be bull. So you can expect the market to go high right from here. Got it. So this is the daily target which I have marked here. My expecting target to go up till here. So the market can go. Since the market in daily is bull, here there is a breakout. The market can go up. I can, at the lower time frame, the worst case scenario, I can say that the market can test this daily's resistance and the market can come down, or it can go on some kind of pattern formation here, or it can slow down here and then it can go up, or it can completely go down. So it can either way happen. But it is known that the market will test this daily's resistance. That is the reason at lower time frame I said the head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder pattern, rather than holding it till here, you can extend up till here and hold your targets till here. The reason is, looking at the higher time frame, I have adjusted my targets for the inverted head and shoulder pattern till that level. This zone which I have drawn here, as I said, you can forget this one because this is a 4 hour resistance. That is here, 4 hour resistance here. Fine, so that is the reason. So the 4 hour resistance is least bothered by a daily time frame because 4 hour resistance is easily broken at the daily time frame resistance. So daily resistance or support has to be tested by the daily candles alone. So this is 4 hours, which the pressure at the 4 hour supply and demands is not that hard to break for a daily support resistance. Fine. Now, as I said, the target can be here and the triangle breakout here. So this is one. Where is it? Yeah. So this is this triangle. Fine. So this is the triangle breakout. Now the triangle's target is, copy the mouth region, then paste it here, and the target is here. So this is at the 4 hour resistance. So anybody who wanted to trade based on the triangle breakout in 4 hour time frame, we can hold the target till here, which is 1.5948 paisa. Sorry, 1 rupee 5948 paisa move, where your stop and target could be here. Your risk reward would be 1 is to 1.6 trade, which is I won't say it's a great trade. It's like not even okay. So 1 is to 1 is the worst trade. You can still consider maybe in case you wanted to trade based on, and you fear that this resistance won't be broken or the resistance will be tested and the market will bounce here. If you fear that, else you can hold the position till here. This daily resistance, which is here, which is, if you see that case, the risk reward would be 1 is to 2.5. Fine. This one you can see, this one, not this one, you can look at this one, which is I'm highlighting right now, which is 1 is to 2.5. This is your stop and this is your target, 1 is to 2.5. And if you are trading with this inverted head and shoulder pattern, now this will become a support zone. Breaking this, the market can fall further. So this is as your stop, this is your current market buy, and this is your target. Your risk reward would be 1 is to 4.53. So either you consider this or this as your stop from the current market or target. The risk reward ratio is from 1 is to 2.25 to 1 is to 4.53. Both the risk reward ratios are competitively good trades to take in. So my view on GBPINR is completely bullish. Fine, given that only one disclaimer, that the current market price is testing this resistance zone which is formed during 2000, wait a minute, 2013, 2015, 2021, and now 2023. So right now we are testing that a zone which is formed in the last 1, 2, 3, 4 years. Fine. So that is only one disclaimer. Apart from that, in the lower time frames, the market gives all the signals for the bull, and the risk reward ratio is also competitive, which is 1 is to 2.5 to 1 is to 4.53. It's a very good trade. You can consider um, buying them. Fine. So I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. So please do your own analysis and then plan your trades as well. And in addition to that, um, the I have got 101 subscribers on Trading View. Give me a second. Yeah, 101 subscribers here, and my YouTube channel got 21 subscriber. And thanks for supporting me to reach 101. So wanted to share this uh, with the viewers here. Thanks for supporting and keep supporting me on TradingView as well as my YouTube channel. Write your comments down. Write your questions in case if you have any questions to be asked. I'll try to answer them. And in case if I have missed out any techniques or patterns in this analysis of GBPINR, also post that. So it will be learning to me. It's a two-way learning, and birds of same feather flock together. So keep trading, happy learning, and over and out.